Welcome back, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to learn something today. It's time for our Mad Science finale here on Living Oklahoma. Now, questions are circulating whether air takes up space. I've heard, I was just full of hot air in my head. I don't know what that means. But anyway, our favorite mad scientists are cracking the code. Let's take a look.
Here's a question. Does air have weight?
No.
Does it take up space?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, check this out.
Why you said that?
Check this out, okay? Right here is a,
Balloon.
right there is a,
Balloon.
okay, if you blow up that balloon, what's gonna happen? Not yet, nothing because you have a mask on. But if you blow up the balloon, what would happen?
It would get full of air.
Air, it would take up space. Not only
Alright,
does
so
it
I
take
was
up
wrong.
space, it also has weight. Here, watch this. I got this thing over here. Now look at this. Okay. Now right here, I've got two balloons hanging on that board right there. Okay, you can see them right there.
Yeah.
Now, as soon as they settle down, what I want you to do, this is really cool. You're going to see how air moves. I want you to blow between them. But before you do that, what do you think will happen to the balloons when you blow between them?
You're just gonna.
They're gonna go apart, okay?
They're gonna come back.
Okay, they're gonna go apart and then come back. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stand over here, social distancing and all that. Go ahead and blow between them. They went together.
Why?
They didn't go apart, they went together.
Why?
Why did they go together? Because that air takes up space, and as it went through here, it pushed air along with it out of the way, and it created a low pressure system, or almost like a vacuum, and the balloons came together to fill that space.
Oh.
Now here's another thing.
So I was wrong again.
Here's another thing. Check this out. We talked about weight. Do
Yes.
balloons take up, does air take up weight? Let's get rid of this, and let's get rid of this one. Okay, and then what we're gonna do,
You could have just kept them on there, and then when the thing tipped, it would show that balloons have weight.
we're going to put a balloon with no air in it.
Ah.
We're going to put a balloon with no air in it. Okay, and we're going to see if it's balanced. There, kind of balanced, right? Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to blow this balloon up. Okay? Now you can see that it was balanced, and now it's not, because this balloon is sitting right here and it's off balance. Now here's the thing. Air does take up weight. Air does take up space. You're using air pressure to put more air inside the balloon. Now,
That's good.
that's good. Go ahead and tie it off. This is gonna be so cool. I saw it on a YouTube video, so you know it's gonna be right. Wait, I saw it on my YouTube video.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice. Do not know how to tie a balloon.
Okay, here. I'll take this. I'll tie it like this. I'll hook it right here. Now remember, we weighed them before to see if they were balanced, and they were.
And
Are you
now
ready for
they
this?
still are.
Give it a minute. If you can see, it's starting to tilt more and more down to this side. Let's do this. We're going to set it all the way out to the edge here. And we're going to set it all the way out to the edge here. And let's see what happens now. Look at that.
Wow.
Why? Because air actually takes up space, and because air actually has weight to it. So you want to know more, check out our YouTube videos on Dogs of Science, or come by our Facebook page, or even invite us out. We'd love to come work with you. We are Dogs of Science
Woof woof.
from Mad Science OKC.
My mind is blown. Somebody lied to me. I did not know that air weighed anything. Anyway, guys, remember to set your DVR so you can do those great experiments with your family. And we'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday segment.